Hi friends, I am Dr. Zainab Vora, Faculty Radiology, teaching currently at Conceptual Radiology. I am here to talk to you about how Conceptual as a platform is going to help our young residents who are currently pursuing their residency in either radiology or orthopedics or ObGyn or anesthesia, and upcoming we have medicine which is in the pipelines. So how should you best use the Conceptual platform in order to make the most of it, So first thing is, all of you are gonna have very busy lives. It becomes very difficult to manage your personal life, your duties, your academics, and then the constant pressure of exams and thesis. And it becomes a struggle to manage all of this. And I've been through that, and I can tell you it's difficult for sure. And there's a major transition for most of us wherein, you want to settle down in your lives and other stuff is going on in parallel. So my advice to you is just do one video daily. You have to take this app for accountability and you have to use it for accountability. I think that's the best way to maintain that constant touch with academics and still make the best use of eConceptual as a platform. So daily, make it a rule of watching one video. You can do that passively as well, while you're having your meals, or you got a break for some time, or you're doing some scut work wherein you don't really need active attention and you can be on your phone. Just listen to one video. In that one video, even if you do one topic every day, you are gonna eventually increase the confidence. Now, unlike NEET PG, when we are preparing for NEET PG, we're in that zone where you have to give it your complete attention, you have to give it full time, you have to, make notes. Now it's not like that. Now this profession is there for your life, right? Your learning is going to continue throughout. So that's the approach you guys have to have. It's not like you'll go home, you'll open a book and you'll study. It will never happen like that. Let me just tell you. The learning happens on the job, and to maintain academic continuum with that, to maintain, going back to studies with that, I think this is the best way to do it. To have it on your phone, do it passively with a video, one video daily at least. If you can do more, if your exam going, obviously you'll have to complete more stuff. But as young residents in first and second year, I think my advice to you would be just keep completing one topic daily, and that way when the exams are closer, you'll feel much more confident. So that's what you should do. In addition, we have solved DNB papers in almost all of the platforms now. So make use of that, keep reading these questions again and again, so that when you are going to write your theory, in your mind that what does a model theory answer look like, right? So keep solving these. In radiology, we also do a lot of case discussions. We do spotter quizzes. So participate in these so you get used to the exam feeling right from the beginning itself, right? So then the exam doesn't seem as overwhelming. So all of these things, the video lectures, because there is so much content, it might become overwhelming that what is to be done. So either just appear for it live when it's going on, or the other strategy I just told you is watch one topic daily, and that way create a schedule for yourself. You'll be done with so many topics before you know it. So that's how you make use of the videos. Apart from that, you have the books with you. Make sure you use those as a base for your preparation of the theory exam. You can use those books as the base that you refer and you add content to whenever you read any new resource. So the learning is going to continue throughout, and take it like that. It's not gonna be like NEET PG days or MBBS days where you come back to your hostel or your room or your house, you're opening your book, you're studying, you're underlining. It's not gonna happen like that. You're studying on the job, you're learning on the job. Even if you feel you're doing the most useless of the things, remember you're learning something valuable, and that's the approach you gotta have. Stay back in your department. Sometimes there can be some toxicity which you face from your seniors. See how much you can take. Always remember to speak up if it's unbearable. Don't be scared of anybody. You are gonna do this for the rest of your life. So you want to become a very, very good practicing radiologist or orthopedician or whatever it is that you've chosen. And we're right here by your side helping you do that. So if there is any other thing that you have as suggestions or feedback for us at eConceptual, please feel free to comment down in the comment section and we'll get back to you. Thank you so much and all the best.